The kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of girl that
yeah, whatever. Don't let her trick y'all. I'm being for real. I know her, honey.
I could be wrong, but I'm feeling like something could be going wrong.
I want to be 60 years old. Nobody gonna tell me what the fuck I can't drink.
There ain't no one for me, only you. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. You don't make it I wanna be down.
Who you about to meet? Huh?
How you doing?
Oh,
No, you good.
let me see. You excited, Kai? Huh?
Look a hot mess today, but it's okay. Didn't feel like doing my hair.
Nia and Ian. Why it look like y'all all the way back there?
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside.
Be quiet. But they probably gonna be playing that. Kai, look. That's what you was scared to get on yesterday.
What?
Cause you scary. Come on, why? I dare you get on it. You gonna get on it? Huh? Oh, Kai, here you go. Wait, Cookies, where is it at? Oh, he right there. Hello. Oh, Kai. Oh. Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, if you guys want to be Goofy and Pluto, you're going to go here. Mickey, you're going to follow this path right over here.
Oh, okay. He want to do both.
Mickey?
See, we got to get that Happening app because it's going to get downloaded on that. And I don't know how to create one. Look at Kai. Look how you look. See, oh, Kai. See, that's Goofy. That's the one we was talking
right
about.
there.
Remember?
Yeah.
That's the
Goofy
one that has
is
the
a dog
clothes.
too, though. But that's Goofy.
Because he kept
And
asking,
Pluto.
why Goofy don't got no clothes on? I said that's Pluto that don't got no clothes on.
Yeah, Pluto and Goofy is right there. They're both dogs.
Oh, that's why he looking, because they both together.
Yeah.
You want a picture with them too, Kai? Huh?
Kyrie, you better not be scared.
You said no? See, I need that app, but I don't know how to download it.
He could take my know you seen. Yeah.
Yeah. While you doing stuff, you should have did them sidey sides.
That's why I got my cover.
That's why I be telling y'all, we're still gonna be in pictures. Look at them, guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for Kai to meet them.
Somebody have a phone you'd like to take? Oh, you got it? She would beat me to y'all. I'll get the next family.
You ain't never seen the show? He is goofy, like he
Staring at him dead in his soul, and I'm just looking like, yeah, you really is. I came here for Minnie.
Oh, look at the hair!
Because he's taking photos.
Because they want to play
Dancing.
around. That's why it's that much alone.
Yeah, No, you're not. We're taking pictures. I want to take pictures with these things. I keep telling y'all it ain't about y'all. It's about him. And why do y'all like... What? We didn't hear you.
Good morning, how are you all?
No. I say it when I'm at work.
Lots of photos with everybody. So.
I know theirs is going quick. This one is taking forever because they playing. Did you have fun meeting? Oh, why you ain't? Did you have fun meeting? What is it? Mickey and Minnie? Huh?
Yep. Are we gonna see the scary ones again?
No, just these. Just Mickey, Goofy, and Pluto. Oh.
Good morning, how are you all doing?
Good, how are you?
The characters take a lot of photos, so it's nice.
Yeah.
Very individual.
Mm-hmm.
When you get out there, a couple of families ahead of you, if you want, my husband is using your cameras and taking a video of
Okay.
when the hugging and,
Yeah.
all the interaction. If you want, he'll do
Yeah.
that for you.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good.
I do.
Very adorable.
Mm-hmm.
And if there's anything you want to leave on the tables, like a purse or something,
Just,
that's up to
okay.
you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
She tried to jump and she landed on me. I didn't realize she was going to do that.
Where we going today?
To eat?
Universal? If we going to SeaWorld, we need our bathing suits.
SeaWorld is tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. We can swim in. Where we going today? And we see the dolphins and stuff.
I never got the email, though.
Oh, yeah, we got to holler at the people. We can't bank on that, huh?
Yeah.
Interrupt you,
Yeah.
but you're recording. Can I have the wish child's last name?
Burton.
Burton.
Burton. Oh, I love it when it's on the page. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Are you excited to meet, what's their name? Pluto and, what's his name? Goofy? Yeah?
That's all right.
See? Look at Mama.
We have arrived at Animal Kingdom, my friend. No, today?
And it's our last day?
No, it's not our last day. Our last day is Sunday.
No, I said a Disney World.
That's a whole different one. Universal is a whole different one. That's why I keep getting confused too. I thought Universal was with Disney World, but it's not.
Single file one at a time, please. Single file one at a time.
Oh, who's talking?
All the way to your right, please. All the way to the right.
Oh. I hope this breeze keep on going.
Oh, he got the wrong shirt on. But when he heard that,
Oh my God.
You had one shot.
That's not funny. There's nothing funny about that.
You have one job to put on that one.
It won't be funny because they won't let you in that party. You ain't gonna be laughing. So they said make sure you wear your, well, that is,
Make a wish.
yeah. Yes, they did say that in the email.
That's why they gave us
I didn't even notice that. Oh, you gotta go over there.
Yeah. Hold on to it.
Wait, this stroller, y'all too.
Walk right back right here. You guys are good to go. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good
Look at Kai. Uh-oh, Kai's scared. Kai's scared. Come on, let's go touch him. Oh, all right, girl. All right. Look at Kai. Kai said, oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, she walking now. Hey, how she know how to do that? Look at Kai. Look at Kai. Come on. Come on.
Get in the wheelchair.
That's not a wheelchair.
I'm in. Get in.
Get in if you're scared. Come on. Where the animals at?
They was best off calling it a zoo.
Right. Where is it at?
Oh, over there sleeping.
I don't see nothing.
He's blended in with the man.
Oh, I see it. I don't know what that is though. Well, he need to wake up.
They sleep.
What time they wake up?
Shut I am.
Oh yeah. Yeah, he like forget that. Yeah. Kai, how you gonna go to the zoo?
That's a
Yeah.
pig.
How you know?
That's what you read the thing. That's a hot.
Oh Lord. It's okay, it's one over here.
Why is it Rhino?
What's right here? Where he at?
He in there somewhere. Iguana. Ooh, them big boys.
I don't see him.
Oh, that is him right there in the back.
I don't see him. Oh, I
All the way back
wait.
there.
Oh,
Oh,
right
there you
there.
go.
Go, yeah.
Look. That's an iguana.
Guan.
Come over here.
These animals kind of. What's over here? Water. Come on, Kai, you want to see the animals?
little ducks, little birds. Get up so you can see the birds.
You the one say, I want to go see the animals. Now you don't even want to get up. It stinks.
It's gonna smell.
Ooh. You see him, Kai?
They poop in there.
Huh? Recording. This is I'm recording. Where's the other one? You see it down here?
Oh, it's gonna bite you.
It ain't gonna bite. It can't get out the water.
It can't from up here.
I know, but it can't get out like, you know.
Oh, they're gonna want
Oh, I see him swimming.
I don't swim like that.
It's more swimming up here.
Oh, he coming back in the water, I think.
Can they get out?
He coming back.
All right. Dang, that's big.
It's a catfish shark.
I can't even see if I'm recording because the camera's so. It's under our feet.
Oh, he coming over here. Where you at, buddy?
Look, where is he at?
Or did he cook us and go back over?
Yeah, he's probably here hiding.
I got there's some food.
No, you can't get his things on food.
See? See?
There you go. There you go right there. I know him.
Look, Kai.
You scared?
I wrestle.
Hey, look at it. Hey, come on.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
That's an ugly bat. Hey.
You won't say it to his face.
I wrestle.
Talking about that's an ugly head.
But if you was in that water,
Right.
so stop talking about it. What an elephant.
I don't know. That's what I was looking
All
for.
types of stuff. We still have all our popcorn. Because he said we should get it.
Here. Is that a real deer?
That's a giraffe. They got Starbucks. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop and get a Starbucks up in here. It's hot.
What?
No, it's not. You don't see them drinking stuff that's not coffee? They have refreshers too.
You finna go some?
Wait, they go a monkey. Oh wait, is that a monkey?
Yeah.
What is them little things?
How you
Oh.
doing? Get up,
How are
Kai.
you guys?
All right.
I've got our cotton top tamarins behind me. They're super cool. They're a very small species of monkeys. They're only found in the northern parts of Colombia, so a really small area of the world. And today is actually Cotton Top Tamarin Day down in Colombia. So
Oh.
yeah, so the local communities there
Hi.
are super involved and passionate about
Get up.
conservation of this species specifically, because that is the only place in the world where they're found. So you cannot see these anywhere else unless they are in a zoo, maybe here, or in that town in Colombia, which is
A
so cool.
baby frog.
Yeah, they're pretty cute. They actually weigh less than a pound, just like right under a pound, and they can leap 15 feet. But yeah,
Wow.
we got our family group in here, so mom, dad, and 3 daughters.
Oh.
They're all about the same size though. They're all full grown at this point. They're super cool.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, they so cute. I want to pick one up.
3, 4.
Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where? Where the
Oh, and there's people down there. Where they,
Yeah,
why they
1,
get down
2,
there?
3, 4, yeah.
Behind the tree.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't get down there. I'm gonna go down there.
Where they at?
Come on, you finna go check.
Down where?
This boy's so scary. Ooh, it's hot. It is too hot.
Come on.
Ooh, Jesus.
Torches. Turtle. You hear me? Oh, excuse me, baby. That's a turtle foot. All you gotta do is stand up under there and get some water on you.
But it ain't gonna come out on you.
It's gonna come out. Look at that water right here.
Let me see. That is beautiful. It ain't nothing coming out on me.
How the water get right here?
I don't know. Ooh. Hi, you want to get out of dance? Hi, you want to get out of dance? I need to get over here. Then you get right back in my camera.
Little bit of them is showing right now.
Oh, there you go. He's just looking.
Mom.
Yeah.
There you go. They're great, man. Very intelligent.
They do, yeah. So they know where to hang out. They got air conditioning and fans and all that in there.
Oh yeah, I don't blame him. I'd be in there too.
Man.
Be chilling. Is the whole family here?
Yeah, we've got a boy and girl and then mom and grandmother right here.
Aww.
So they're real intelligent.
Yeah.
They are, yeah.
Look, he looking.
Look how he looking. trying to see his face. Kai, look.
Get up, Kai.
Look, Kai.
Get up. Let's see the giraffe.
What you say?
Get
You
up.
see it, Kai?
Zebra, a horse,
Look like
and a
a
giraffe
donkey.
mixed together.
Kai.
Like 3 animals in one.
You see him? Look at him.
In the face, it looks like a
Fans in
giraffe.
here with him too.
The legs, a zebra.
Hmm.
Body, of course.
You gotta put that top on there and don't give it back to them. They can't eat in here.
Huh?
They said they can't eat in here. Look, Kai. Harmony, pick them up so you can see. You see him? Quick, because he been act crazy. Harmony, please make sure you don't let him fall back.
Brother dropped his cell phone in with the giraffes and went in there and got it. In Battle Creek. They said he could have got killed.
Who did?
Man did it like in 2011. He said he dropped his iPhone.
And he
in there.
went, whatever.
Went in there.
Whatever. He did not do that.
Oh, there go another one.
He brave, because that iPhone's been gone, honey.
One kick would have killed him.
Oh,
Look,
it's a
look.
little one.
Oh.
What I want to train y'all on is, you see the shape of him, and all they eat is plants.
Oh, that's a lovely pose.
Oh, I think you.
Don't.
Every now and then they have to prove that they're not animatronic.
Oh yeah, he
And you
said.
got that silverback gorilla in there?
They're the very last one. The very end, you know?
I
Make
want
you
them
work
to
for
see
it.
that silverback.
They're pretty cool.
Dead. They don't eat no meat.
Get out of here. So they a car jumping there.
Hopefully the blue ones will patty.
Gonna go fishing.
And I don't think they got it. Oh shoot! Oh my God! That leak. Let's go. I thought something flew on me. That leak.
Come on. Look, that's what you need for 5.
What? I mean, a little bit. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, I do.
Yeah, attach it to his hand and your hand, and he can't go nowhere.
Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Where is he at?
I'm trying to get to the gorilla. Do they got pandas here?
I don't know. Where's all the big animals? I want to see big ones. Thanks. You can get it. Oh, look at him. He laying down, chilling. Don't sit on that, 'cause I don't know if you can. Where's Kai at? Right here. Do you want to see me? Didn't you say you want to see me live? Look at him. He is chilling. Oh, look at him. He's eating. Kai, you on me. Come on. Okay, let mommy get by so you get in front. Kai, move back. Okay.
That's the mom over there.
Oh, man. I didn't see that.
You see him laying down chilling? He's sleepy. You said what kind?
I mean, that's his big brother over there.
Oh. Just
And that's the mom over there.
he must be sleepy.
And that's
He ain't got. He been in that same position.
And that's the cousin over there. And that's the
Now he's trying to name one.
yeah.
Look,
Guy.
he
You
about
said
to,
that's the cousin over there.
he about to get ready and lay down.
Cool. This
This
one.
one right here. He on his way to lay down.
Look at his toes.
Probably their nap time. Inside.
That's the dad, ain't it? He look big. He might be the dad. Oh, he gone.
Oh yeah, look. He done got to lay down.
Oh, look at him.
They all tired.
I'll give you that luck right there. Now the bongo that we saw back there, if you're able to spot them, consider yourself pretty lucky. They have a nickname of the ghost of the forest because of how rare they are to spot in the wild. And their horns angle backwards, help them give them take meditation and underbrush very quickly. Now black rhinos, the smallest rhino in Africa, they're going to weigh around 3,000 pounds. Now rhinos aren't poker trying to their horns. Some people believe that they have medicinal value, but they don't. Their horns aren't valuable at all. They're made of keratin, and that's the same thing that our fingernails are made out of. And coming up here on the left, that is the saddle-billed stork. Saddle-billed storks get their name from the little yellow patches on their beak and shaped like a saddle. Those birds are 5 feet tall. They have a wingspan of 9 feet, about the same width as the canopy of that. We're going to be heading out on the Lewis Forest, so we're on our way to the Saki River. So animals this area, they like to hang out in and around the water. But we're going to see some pink-backed pelicans coming up here on the right-hand side. Pink-backed pelicans get their name from the pink skin that occurs on their back during mating season. Now those birds are colonial nesters, so they'll nest between 20 and 500 pairs. That's a group of 40 to 1,000 pink-backed pelicans.
Big back pelicans? Big back
Pink back or something. When I think big back.
Just look up here.
We're giving you the Safi River. Now, one of the ways you can help out your waterways is by taking your sunscreen to see if it's really safe. Another way is just being aware of how much water they are using and trying to conserve if possible. Now, for instance, there are some hippos in that water. It's not hippopotamus. A group of them is called bloats, and they spend most of their time submerged in that water to avoid overheating. But they will come out to graze, and they can stay submerged in that water up to 8 minutes at a time. And instead of swimming through the water, hippos will actually walk and run along the bottom of the riverbank, so kind of glide through that water right there. Four hippos on the left as well.
We're hippie hip. I don't see nobody.
On the left-hand side, those are
There's an alligator right there.
Now, crocodiles can eat half their body weight in one sitting, and they can go months without eating if food is here. Other reptile crocodiles are great parents, and they'll gently roll their eggs in their mouth and snap up their shell, and it makes it easier for their babies to hatch. But we're going to be heading into the Savanna now, and the Savanna hosts millions of migrating animals every year, and it's home to Africa's most well-known animals, such as zebras and giraffes.
Oh.
I'm hoping they'll be able to spot some today, but as we're heading out here, we get a pretty good chance to use that animal spotting guide. There's lots of wide open spaces.
Oh. Oh. There.
they'll kind of play their parts. A lot of these trees that we're going to see, they're going to be pruned underneath to about the same height. And that's what as far as the giraffe can reach. You like the vegetation on these trees all around this area here. And it's a pretty hot day out, so definitely keep an eye out in the shaded areas. A lot of times the animals like to get out of the sun. We're going to see what we can find. I'll go up on the...
They hot.
Let's go in here. We're going to see the sable antelope on the left-hand side. They're all the way in that back corner there. Now, sable antelope are very special because of the symbol of the Harambe Wildlife Preserve. How courageous they are. And a choice between fight or flight. They'll choose to fight. This
Oh, yeah.
protect these animals and the environment that they live in. Now, their horns angle backwards. And that's to deter animals like lions from jumping on their backs. Use to protect themselves. Each group is led by a dominant male. The dominant female, she's going to lead most of the movements of that group.
Keep moving for that thing.
You can see a couple of termite mounds up ahead there. Termite mounds are made out of dirt, dung, and saliva. When they get hardened up, animals like elephants will use them as a scratching post. And once they get kind of broken down from that, a lot of times different antelope will stand on top of it to get a better view of their surrounding area.
Well, they're talking, you know.
That's a beast.
Like Beckham, same thing. Yeah. Won't talk, you know. Yeah, he talks himself out of it.
No.
A really good view of these Hartman's mountain zebras here. The Hartman's mountain zebras are the only type of zebra where they do laugh. It's an extra flap of skin right underneath their neck that helps aid in blood circulation. That helps keep them cool on hot days.
Yeah.
There's a baby zebra over here. Their gestation period is about a year. And the babies are able to imprint or memorize.
Guys, gonna wall out. Oh. Giraffe giraffe.
Really cute view there of that baby zebra right now. On the left-hand side, of course, that is the Maasai giraffe. Maasai giraffe have an irregular coat pattern. They don't have those cool lines around their spots like the reticulated giraffe does over their spotting guys. Now they stand 16 to 20 feet tall when they're adults, and when they're born around 6 feet tall. They've got a 6-foot drop in the moment that they're born.
You see it, Kai? You see it?
There's another one over there.
Look, Kai.
Oh, it's a lot of.
Oh, look.
Now 3 drops.
Now 4. There is one sitting down.
One right there, one right there, one right there.
But on the right-hand side, right by the trees, those are Ankole cattle. Now, the Ankole cattle are the only domestic cattle breed that we're going to be able to find here on the reserve. They're in the bovine family. Same family as buffalo and
look at them horns.
bison. Now, each one of those horns is about 3 to 4 feet in length. It's built inside with a honeycomb-like structure that allows for blood circulation, and that helps keep them cool on hot days. Kind of like a little lacy system. African elephants on the right-hand side. They're kind of
Oh, yeah, I see him.
And on the left, that's a mandrill. Really good view of those mandrills right there. There's a male.
Look at the bamboo.
And then the females are looking
Oh, look at them. That's from the Lion King. Ain't it?
Mandrills are the largest monkeys. Males can weigh up to 100 pounds. Females can weigh up to 30 pounds. And they can bring their teeth at each other as a sign of aggression. But they usually don't. They usually do it as a friendly gesture. So it's kind of like the mandrill or very talkative. Now, if those spot more elephants, I'm hoping so. African elephants are social creatures. The females and their young will hang out in large groups together. And the males will form a loose fat group or sometimes a little kind of hang out. So one of the ways that African elephants stay cool is by flapping their ears and run to air. Over the blood vessels are dispersed all throughout their ears, and it cools down up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is where all the animals are.
Mm-hmm.
Those are also equivalent to their IPs as well. Now on the right hand side, those are test marks. And those test marks in that right clay are caused by African elephants, like the ones on the left. And they'll scrape up against that clay and they'll eat it. And they eat it because it contains minerals that they need. Sort of like how we take vitamins. Elephants are a matriarchal society, so they're going to be led by a female elephant. Female elephants weigh around 8,000 pounds. Males weigh around 13,000 pounds. So some kind of by the water's edge, we'll see if we can get a view of them. I'm hoping so. And they stay leafless about 9 months out of the year. Now, baobab trees have a few different nicknames. One is the upside down tree. The other one you might be familiar with is the tree of life.
Oh, that's dope. That's from Lion King. Oh.
Pretty few of these African elephants up here. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Look how you see it.
Keep splashing out.
Right here on a group of flamingos. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyant. So here we have that flamboyant flamingos. But this particular species is the greater flamingo species, and they're the lightest colored flamingo in their family. They get their color from the brines that they eat, and over time it turns their feathers pink. Now it takes about 1 to 2 years to get the full pink coloring right there when they're born. And we're not over 8 years old. Now we're seeing the eland up ahead there.
Yep, you about to pass right by it. Go over there by it then. Calling it ugly.
One of my favorite eland facts is they make flower crowns with their antlers. And they'll do that just as the females during mating.
And look at him trying to
Not a
touch
perfect
the
flower
thing.
crown. They'll kind of bring up by different plants and bushes, but it's definitely the thought that counts. And as elands walk, their tendons
They
will
must
slip
have
over
trained
their
them not to
joints, and
do
if it's a
nothing.
clicking sound. And that's also other elands know that they're in the area. Up here on a mud wallow on the left-hand side, and that mud wallow was caused by those white rhinos over there. And they'll wallow in that mud to stay cool, and they'll coat their skin in the mud to act as a net.
Oh, I can't see it.
It's really how we use sunscreen. Now, elephant fishes are very similar, and they'll fling dirt and mud on their backs as well. Shows how important it is for us to protect ourselves outside those environments by wearing hats, sunglasses, sunscreen, very, very important, as well as staying hydrated. Now, those white rhinos weigh around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds.
Wow.
A group of them is called a crash, and they can run at 35 miles an hour.
Man.
I was going to see the cheetahs. They're on the left-hand side, the base of the tree. The other one's kind of back to the tree line.
I want to see cheetahs.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animal. They're a little over 60 miles an hour.
Oh, I
They
see
have 2
it.
black lines on their face.
It's all the way up there, though.
They help reflect the sun. Benefit cheetahs because cheetahs are daytime hunters. Now, cheetahs do not roar. Instead of roaring, they'll meow and they'll purr. And their claws are not retractable.